Dave at USA Performance Parts. I'm here to show you our new lightweight Lunati rotating assemblies. This is a 3875 stroke crankshaft, great for a stock 350 block for a 496 cubic inch, or in the aftermarket blocks with a 4125 bore, it's 415 or 421 with the 4155 bore. These things make a lot of horsepower. This crank is good to handle 800. It comes with a star flange on it to lighten it up. All the rod journals are lightened in it, and all the mains are gun drilled in it. And one of the other big features is they go in and undercut and scallop the counterweight to get rid of even more weight yet. Like you say, you got a great crankshaft, but it only weighs 45 pounds. Along with that, we use the Linate H Beam Rod with it. These have a ARP 2000 bolts in them, 7/16. We'll handle that 800 plus easily. This is one of the pistons we use with it. This happens to be an Icon Dome piston. This is a 2618 premium material piston. Comes with a 1.5, 3 millimeter oil ring on it. It is laterally gas ported. These are inboard forgings and come with a 250 wall pin in them to keep everything light, but still very high strength. Again, the ring package that this comes with has a total seal 1.5 millimeter top ring, which is a ductile moly. The second ring is a total sealed Napier ring, and then we use a 3 millimeter oil ring on it for great oil control and still having a fairly lightweight ring package in it. Exclusively, we use the King XP bearings in it. Very good bearing, very high tolerances, or very great tolerance, and they're right on the dimensions always. These have the coated. It's not a coating. This is their black gray colored overlay, which is a little bit stronger than just a lead overlay, and still very easy on the crankshafts. I do have these in other combinations of rods and pistons, anything you're going to need, and this is probably one of the most popular combinations is the 3875 stroke. So if you got any questions or ready to order, give me a call, 704-397-7979, or check us out on the web at usaperform.com.